Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to allow alarms when Do Not Disturb is on in Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, go to notification. Okay, tap the notification. And notification, you can see the do not disturb. Okay, tap this. And do not disturb, okay, you can see the do not disturb is on. And okay guys, if this turn on, all notification is off. But we have an exemption. And okay guys, here below you can see the exemption. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to allow alarms when do not disturb is on. And okay guys, you'll have to do is tap the alarm and sounds. And okay guys, here you can see the alarm. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to allow the alarm when do not disturb is on, okay, you'll have to do is turn on the switch button on the right side of this alarm. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully allow alarms when do not disturb is on in Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.